Good morning. It's the morning again. It's a makeup again. I'm happy it's a Monday, but I'm not happy it's another Monday. You know, it's been super fast. And it's been crazy month. A lot of things happen. A lot of changes. A lot of decision. Makeup is not changed. I still doing makeup every day. Going to work, same time, same place, same people. Same me. So basically what I'm using is whatever I use for a glam makeup on Sunday, but I'm gonna do quick makeup for Monday using the exact stuff, maybe less. Every day you have the same exact time, about like 10-15 minutes to get ready before going to work. So you're trying to be quick. And also I don't want to do too much for my face too, so it's just something that easy to do, easy to understand, or easy to basically, since I use the eyes palette, I'm gonna use it for my blush too. I just use this 4 square. Just trying to show you guys some new products that I bought, but maybe when I'm off work later. Every day is gonna be a new product since I bought quite a lot and I need to start using it. You know, when you start buying a lot and you're kind of like, oh, I'm gonna use it, but then you just leave it there, let it sit for the whole month, and then just don't do anything with it. I did use another palette yesterday, so I'm gonna use the same palette for my shadow, for my contour and my eyes too. the good thing about living by yourself is that you have all the space, you have all the time. Whatever you do, nobody cares because there's nobody around. Or you and your discipline, and do whatever you need to do, or don't do anything. Bad thing is because there's nobody around, no one gonna tell you when to eat. Or like, it's just like if you have your mom, no one gonna cook for you anymore. I have to cook for myself. And be smart about my money and have to stay focused on my work because nobody gonna tell me I need to work harder anymore, and I have to keep remind myself about that. And then one day I just realized that, oh, you either love it or you hate it. Stay by yourself. Right now, I don't know yet. I'm trying. I'm just trying, and I'm gonna do my eyebrow. Every day is the same, but it's different. It's just like you're trying to do something better, and you cannot do it, and then you try again until you get to the goal that you really wanted to. There's just so many things that affect what you decide every day. When you wake up and you decided to go to gym, or you decided not to, it's all up to you. And then I feel like it's getting harder and harder as you grow older. All the decision in life is become really important if you do it or not, do it right. And then the lipstick that I used yesterday, and then you're gonna meet more people, or you're gonna be by yourself. That's a different story. And one day you're gonna look back about all the decision you make, and you're just like, oh wow, how did I do it? Basically, it's done, guy. Less than 10 minutes, ready to go to work.